Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to pepper trade right here on BlackBull Markets. So right now we created an account and then what we're going to do is go to trading accounts, go to demo, then right here click on create account and then right now we are setting up our account. So let's say platform type is going to be TradingView, US dollars finest currency, or nickname is going to be Tom3, leverage 1 to 10, account type standard, and let's do a balance of 100k. Then we do now submit. So right now we created our account and then what we're going to do is we select right here on trade now. Then he will send us to this page where we click on connect. Then right now we log in and then we go to our email address where he sent us the verification codes. So we will wait a second for this and then right now we have it in our mail. Fill in your verification codes right there. Click on verify, click on allow. And then right now we just logged in with our account and you can find it right here. If you click here on demo, you can switch between those demo accounts and that was the demo account that we just created with 100k. Now if you want to start the paper trade, we can go right here to a symbol that we can buy. So let's say we want to buy, for example, gold to US dollar. Then right now what you're going to do is select right here buy or sell, select right here which price and fill in right here the lots. So let's say we want to buy 1 lot. That is fine. If you want to create a take profit, we can go right here to exit and then fill in right here your take profit and we can do the same for stop loss. So if you want to do on risk management, make sure that you will do that. And then after that we select right here on buy. Then we created ourselves a order right here for gold, but right now the market is closed, so it's now a order and not a position. But if you go right here and we will do this, let's say, for example, real quick for Bitcoin. So we go buy and buy, you will find it right here at positions that we created ourselves a position for Bitcoin. Now, if you click right here on the cross, you can click here on close position and this is exactly how you can close your position. So if you want to paper trade, try it by yourselves right here. You can search for another symbol by going right here and then search for what you want, for stocks, for funds, for futures, forex, crypto. You can search for whatever you want, but this is how you can paper trade in a nutshell. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. If you have any questions, please comment them below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.